Hello and welcome, croeso, to the Ballet Cymru Online Tutorials. Today is day one. I am Patricia Vallis. I run the pre-professional program at Ballet Cymru, which is a program for young, talented and very motivated young dancers who have already done their vocational training to become professional dancers in a nurturing environment. So that's what we provide. They perform with the company. They also have own productions made on them, pieces created on them by Wales-based choreographers. But today I'm going to show you some Pilates. But because it's day one, we're going to take it very easily. We're just going to do like a spine warm-up and one warm-up exercise. That's it. So we're going to start by warming up the spine. So stand with your feet hip wide, and we're just going to start with the top of the spine, cervical spine, moving the head side to side very gently. Doesn't need to be a big movement. Same up and down. Yeah, you can do this 4 or 5 times each way. Then we warm up the shoulders, glide them down the back each time, mobilizing, warming up, get the blood flowing. Also, you can do that 10 times, going the other way. Then we also can do a side bend. If you want to increase it, step out. Yeah, also do a few times, yeah, stepping out. Then rotating toward the middle of the back, clasping the hands, rotating side to side, following with the gaze. If you want to warm up a bit in the hips, you can just shift side to side, bending one knee, transferring the weight. Again, you can repeat that more or less times. Articulating in the spine, so you would drop the head, shoulders, chest, go halfway down or all the way down, coming back up. And again, you can do that a few times, going through head, shoulders, chest, all the way down and all the way up. Then we're going to look at the breathing, because the breathing is an integral part of Pilates. So with breathing, you breathe in through your nose and you feel like you're expanding in the back of the ribs. So if you place your hands, the back of your hand onto the back of your ribs, and you breathe in, you feel a slight pressure. It's like you're blowing sails, blowing wind into sails. And it's not a shallow breath in the chest, yeah? So deep thoracic breathing in the back of the ribs. Breathe in. Now with the breathing out, you have to engage in your deep core muscles and feel like you're pulling your belly button in and up, and you breathe out through the mouth. So in and up. So we'll try both. Breathe in. Breathe out. In and up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's accompany this with arms. So we take the arms forward, breathe in. Press the air, breathe out. Engaging in your core. Breathe in, feel the back of the ribs expand. Breathe out. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, let's take it on the mat now. So, to do this exercise, you need to have a neutral spine. So what that means is you keep the natural curves of your back. So there'll be a little gap in your lower back. You can have a little towel under the back of the head to keep the back of the neck lengthening. You want to feel the collarbone wide, shoulders gliding down. So let's take the feet hip wide, knees bent, legs parallel. And you can just check you've got that little space under the lower back. So we're just going to be gliding the leg out, and we're breathing in and we breathe out. Engage in the core to bring that leg back to your center. Other leg, breathe in through the nose. Breathe out. Engage, feel it like a very gentle burning. Again, breathing in. Breathe out. It's like a fishing reel and you're pulling it back in. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's do it with the arms as well. Both arms overhead. Breathe in and breathe out. Keep the backs of the shoulders pressing into the floor. Breathe in. Keep a wide collarbone and long back of the neck. Breathe out through the mouth. Engage in the core. You can do that a few times. Now we'll do both legs. Breathe in. You have to engage and really feel it a bit more now and come back. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, you can repeat that a few times. Let's do arms and legs together, and you really have to feel the core working here. Breathe in. Breathe out. Engage. Navel to spine. In and up. Breathing in. And breathe out. Pressing the backs of the shoulders into the floor. One last time. Breathe in. And breathe out. Okay, that's all for today. Don't forget to send in your favorite moves by posting your favorite move and tagging Ballet Cymru. So for Twitter and Instagram, it's @Ballet Cymru, and for Facebook, it's just Ballet Cymru. Thank you very much. Goodbye.